What is a website's conversion rate and why is it important? So you've heard web designers and internet marketers talking about conversion and you're a little confused about what they mean. What is a conversion rate and why is it important? Well, it's actually very simple. A website's conversion is the number of visitors to a web page who go on to perform a specific, desired action as prompted by the content of the page. Usually this means buying a product, but it can be something as simple as clicking on a particular link. For example, the number of people who visit a web page about a particular product who then go on to buy that product. This represents a conversion from an interest in the product to an actual sale, a conversion from a visitor into a customer. If a web page exists solely to catch a visitor's attention and then divert them to a second web page, the number of visitors clicking the link and visiting the second page can be taken as its conversion. Not all web pages have conversion, at least not ones that can be measured, only those which prompt visitors to take a specific action. Measuring your conversion rates will give you a good idea of how well your website is performing its function. How are conversion rates measured? Different web developers and web marketers will measure conversion rates differently. Conversion could be expressed as a percentage, the percentage of visitors who buy the product, a ratio, the number of sales per 100 visitor, or as an actual recorded number of conversions in a given time frame, 300 sales per month, for example. A high conversion rate is obviously desirable because it means that the website is performing its function to a high degree. If a website has a low conversion rate, it could probably use some improvement. Improving conversion there could be any number of reasons why a website's conversion is low. It might be that your sales copy is not compelling or persuasive enough, or it might simply be that the product you are selling is lousy. It could also be that the link you want your visitors to use isn't marked clearly enough. To persuade visitors to click on your links or buy your products, you'll need to use what web designers and content writers refer to as a call to action. A call to action, or CTA, is a short piece of persuasive web copy or a clearly identified link that encourages the visitor to take the desired action. It dangles a metaphorical worm in front of their faces, making them more likely to bite. Websites with high conversion rates will use subtly persuasive language and have a high number of very strong calls to action. The use of landing pages can also be useful. Landing pages are designed to be seen by visitors arriving from specific locations. Search engine optimization can play a big part in improving your conversion rates too. If your conversion rates are low, it could be that you are attracting the wrong kind of visitors to your website. Optimize your site to attract the right kind of visitor, those likely to be interested in what your website has to offer, and your conversion rate will rise. Research the best keywords to use, then incorporate them into your content and calls to action.